vice grips.
Yeah, I know they're not the best. They're not real vice grips. Maybe I should have marked it where it was.
Pretty more straight in.
So this first tool rasps the hole out, makes room for the plug, and cleans the shit out of the hole or something like that. It's like a two-step process, and that's the first step. Pretty substantial bolt to go through a friggin' tire. And the second tool inserts the plug. Hammer in there. She in there?
Take a knife or side cutter and snip that off.
Cut her off flush so it's not sticking out. These are the tools. Use the vice grips to pull the screw. It's actually a bolt, pretty good sized bolt too. Pull the bolt out, and then there's one like this. I think he used the one a little bit bigger. So this one here cleans and rasps the hole out and makes room for the plug, just in case you have a small puncture. The plug is actually pretty big, so you need to make room for that. And then these style tools here, they actually insert the plug, and they're open on the end, so you can pull it out. So you can pull the tool out when you're done. I think that one's just got some goop on it because we used a little bit of tire sealer, a little bit of sealer on the plug, or rubber cement or whatever. So pretty simple. I've used tire plugs before, and yeah, they're pretty simple, and they often can save the day. They're cheap. You can keep them in your glove box. Usually it's just the two tools, like one rasp and one for inserting and inserting the plug. So you can keep something like that in your glove box. Same with the plugs, they're small and compact, you can keep them in your glove box. It's like a spare tire, only smaller. So yeah, plug saves the day today. Thanks to my stepfather for helping me put that in. So this tire obviously lost some air pressure, and running the tire soft is not good. You damage the sidewall. So I need to inflate it to about 40 psi. There we go. 40, just about 40 psi. This tire is labeled on the sidewall, the maximum inflation pressure at 44 psi. I like to run mine at 40 for fuel efficiency. I think the final step is going to be to trim this excess plug off. Trim it off close. You can do that with side cutters or a sharp knife or something. I'm not too sure if these side cutters are much good or not. You don't want to pull the plug out, that's for sure. You just want to trim it so it's not sticking out. So I guess I'll try my knife. There we go. That should do her.